We finally did it, boy. I say,
We done did it.
let me just stop doing that. Guys, all the way from South Africa, I'm starting my digital marketing agency, boy, and it's going to be an exciting experience, and that's why we're here. Okay, I want to show you guys my journey through this journey. I don't know, I want to show you guys my experience, you know, through this journey that I'm starting, and I believe it's going to be exciting, guys. So hit that follow button. But hit that follow button, guys. I'm going to be showing you guys everything, how I get clients, how I work through, you know, with the clients and I'm sorry, I don't know the right words. I'm not, this video is not even script, okay? I just came in just to tell you guys the good news, but I'm going to show you guys everything, okay? Take it from me. I'm not the best. I'm not the best, okay? I'm not a professional. I'm not the best digital marketer, okay? But I have something that I believe is worthy, and that's grit. That's passion. That's all I need. That's just all I need. I'm so excited, you know.
Bruh.
Stick with me. Stick with me. This is going to be an exciting journey. I'll be showing you guys everything. No bullshit. No secrets. No. I might, you know, who knows, man. If I get big enough, I might start getting promos, and you know, I might be a brand enthusiast. Enthusiast. But who knows, man. Let's see, bro. Let's see, guys. Just hit the follow button. Hit the follow button.